Hi, thank you for taking the time to grade my assignment, the first zero project. Uh, I'll go through the requirements to demonstrate all the bullet points there. The first one is to demonstrate three searches. Here you can see the usual Google search. Then I have image search, and then I have advanced search. The second point is demonstrate the usual Google search. So I'll look for Apple and try Google search button. It searches for it. Then let's try image search. Let's look for cats. It searches for cats. Okay. Now let's try the advanced search. So let's try Harvard CS50, coding, Python or JavaScript, and Apple. Yeah, and they have to put minus. And it searches for it. Now I have to demonstrate I'm feeling lucky button, so let's try Harvard. It redirects, but it's okay, and it works. Also, if we try just, for example, one, there will be no redirect notice. Also, all these buttons that I have, they also work according similar to what Google has on their main page. Yeah, all of them have real links. And that's it. Thank you again for taking the time.